This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lamar Callaway. Wow! 2.4 acres on Lake Oconee. 1,728 square feet. 3-bed / 2.5 bath. Like new. Remodeled in 2017. With granite counter, luxury vinyl, vaulted ceiling, very open floor plan, great view of the lake. Party plank siding, covered and open porches. Workshop. Very nice level lake lot, 2.4 acres, max dock. Seawall, sandy beach bottom, great for swimming, boating, and skiing here at this mid-lake area of Lake Oconee where the water is clear and deep. This home is near the Landing Marina, or Fishtail Marine just minutes away for food, gas, launching, and dry boat storage. Restaurants and shopping also just minutes away. You can purchase the lot next door that is 2.37 acres for a total of 4.7.